Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change password of Google Play Store account on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that we must to change our password to improve security by preventing unauthorized access to your account and its associated data, and it also used when you suspect your password has been compromised or if you simply want to update to a stronger password. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to Google Play Store and then go to account and manage your Google account, and then here now you can change security, and then now you can scroll down and go to password, and then over here you can use your screen lock for authorization and you can immediately change your password. And so yeah, it works, and here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.